Welcome to your very own Tarla Dalal's kitchen. I, Chef Pal, today will be showing you a pizza recipe with a twist called double layered cheese veggie crunch pizza. So for this pizza, the first thing we would make is the crunchy veggie topping. So I'll take some olive oil in a broad non-stick pan. To this we'll add some finely chopped garlic and some onion cubes. And we'll saute this on a medium flame for 1 minute. Yes, so they have been sauteed well. To this I'm going to be adding some bell peppers. I've taken red and yellow. They just look very colorful. If you want, you can also add green. Some blanched baby corn. Sun-dried tomatoes. So basically I've soaked these sun-dried tomatoes in hot water or warm water for 15 minutes and then chopped them after draining. Chili flakes, mixed herbs and salt. And we'll cook this on a medium flame for 2 minutes. Make sure you stir it occasionally. If you don't have sun-dried tomatoes, don't worry, you can omit them. Yes, so it has been 2 minutes and they have been cooked well. To this I'm going to be adding some tomato cubes and I'm going to cook it on a medium flame for 2 minutes while stirring it occasionally. Yes, so it has been 2 minutes and our topping is ready. Let's start assembling our pizza. So to assemble a pizza, the first thing would be to take a pizza base. I've chosen a thin one. On that I'm going to be adding some pizza sauce. Now how to make the perfect pizza sauce is very important and we have a video on it. So do have a look. So I've taken 1/4 cup of pizza sauce. I'm going to spread it evenly. I'm going to top it with some mozzarella cheese or processed cheese, any cheese that melts. So as this is a double layered one, this is my first layer. Now I'm going to take another pizza base, place it on top, spread more 1/4 cup of pizza sauce and spread it evenly. And we'll put little of the crunchy vegetable topping that we just made. And finally some more cheese. So in the same way, we're going to make one more double layered pizza and we're going to bake both the pizzas in a preheated oven at 200 degrees Celsius for 15 minutes. But make sure you place them on a greased baking tray. So it has been baked and you can see how beautifully the cheese has melted and this double layer is looking so unusual and nice. Let's quickly cut it. Wow, I can hear the crunch. And that's very important. We don't like those soggy pizzas, right? Wow. So see, this double layered one is just looking so nice and cheesy. Let's quickly serve it. So a double layered cheese veggie crunch pizza is ready and it looks so delicious. So quickly get the ingredients, make it in your kitchens and don't forget to let us know how you all enjoyed it. Till then, goodbye.
Download the Tarla Dalal app on your Apple and Android devices. Follow us on the Facebook and tarladalal.com.